Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a voice chat on Roblox. So before enabling voice chat, you need to make sure that you are 13 years old or older, have completed age verifications on Roblox, and also have a working microphone. And once that's done, let's turn it on. So first you need to log into your Roblox account, and in here you can just go to the settings. You can click on more and click on settings, and then you can open the privacy and content restriction. Then in here you can just find the voice chats options, and then you can just toggle it on. And Roblox may ask you to confirm your age if you haven't already. And after that, to enable the voice chats on the game, you need to make sure your Roblox has permissions to use your microphones. On mobile, you can allow microphone access when prompted, and on PC, you can check your system microphone settings. And how voice chat works in the games. So not all games support voice chats. When join a supported game, you'll see a microphone icon above your avatar, and you can just tap it to mute or unmute yourself. So that's all for me. That's how you can get voice chats on Roblox. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.